Accra, get ready! The stars are coming to your community. This June, the 4th edition of the All-Star Festival lights up the University of Ghana Sports Stadium. It's Southern Sector Stars versus Northern Sector Stars, a clash of international and home-based players. Thomas Partey, Felix Ohene Afenejan, Suleiman Ibrahim, Nicolas Opoku, House of Oaks Benjamin Asari, Asante Kotoko's Kwame Poku, Osman Ibrahim, and Ghana Premier League top scorer Stephen Amankana, and many more. Your favorite music stars, media stars, and movie stars will all be there. A special midweek edition on Wednesday, 18th June from 4 p.m. at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium in Legon. The All-Star Festival is more than football. Join the stars for the full festival experience. Health Walk with the Stars, Community Deva with the Stars, Open Bus Ride through the city with the stars. Football, culture, and showbiz at its very best. Tickets are priced at 100 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, and 30 Ghana cedis. The stars are coming. Accra, are you ready?